Introducing the Rigid Octane Hammer Drill, delivering best-in-class torque with octane power and intelligence. To make this tool intelligent, we designed a processor capable of identifying the battery's power output, allowing the tool to maximize current in high-demand applications. With a powerful next-generation brushless motor, we unleashed a tremendous 1,300 inch-pounds of torque, while generating less heat and wear for longer motor life. The micro-clutch design increases torque control, giving the user over 100 settings, thanks to precision gearing built into the slip clutch. The rugged three-piece design is built to handle whatever the job site throws at it. And an ambidextrous mode selector allows the user to quickly switch modes in any position, while the 360-degree chuck light is designed to provide shadow-free visibility to the workpiece. We designed octane terminals to deliver maximum power and intelligence when paired up with rigid octane batteries. This smart communication starts with an electronic handshake. The instant the trigger is pressed, the battery and tool identify each other, raising power output to overcome high-demand applications. When other hammer drills are slow to deliver, the Rigid Octane Hammer Drill powers through quickly, delivering over 65% more power when paired with octane batteries. The Rigid Octane Hammer Drill delivers best-in-class torque with extreme power and intelligence, and is compatible with all rigid 18-volt batteries. And available only at the Home Depot. Powerful, durable, professional. Rigid.